Okay, so I'm gonna change out these clear corner bulbs for LASFIT LEDs. They're just a whitish bluish color LEDs. They're only about 15-20 bucks. I'll have it linked in the description. I link all products in the description. Saves you guys a little bit of time, gives me a little bit of kickback, keeps the channel going. Anyways, I'm gonna get started. Super easy. First thing you need to do is remove these headlights, and I'll show you how to do that right now. There's 2 tabs on the front that I can literally pull out from right here. That releases the headlight, and then you literally have to lift up a little bit and pops out. And that's it. I'm gonna bring you in closer so you can see it. So these have little tabs on the inside. These little tabs slide into these little holes, and then these little tabs have little mounting fixtures, mounting bracket type things. Let me find it real quick. It's actually that little nipple. These things slide on, they go down, they pop into place, and that's what holds these in. That's what holds your headlights in. Now you can get to the clear corners right here. Hopefully you can see it. It's actually those right there. And these, you literally just have to push a little tab on the inside in and turn them, and they pop out. And that's it. Then you can change the bulbs. So I'm gonna get that going. I'll be right back. 2002 Xtreme Blazer. It's the same on all models when it comes to S10s or Xtreme Blazers. It's my 3rd time ordering these. Hopefully these fucking fit. I'm gonna be pissed. Just kidding, I won't be pissed. But I will be a little irritated because, like I said, it is my 3rd time ordering them. I'm actually just gonna show this real quick. Just show a quick before and after. LASFIT LEDs. I know my hair looks kind of crazy. It's getting kind of long. Looks like I have sex hair. That's not true though, because I'm a fucking virgin. Anyways, LASFIT LEDs, these things are pretty dope. They look fucking nice. I'm happy with them. By the way, I disconnected the headlights before I started. I did that because if not, these LASFIT LEDs are so bright. The glare on the screen is just, like, it's unreal. You won't be able to even tell that. Actually, you won't be able to see anything filming because these things are so bright. LASFIT LEDs, I fuck with them. I'm gonna change that other one out real quick. I'm just gonna fast forward through it all. I'm gonna reconnect the headlights and then back this thing out, pull it back in, and let you see what it looks like. Now you know what it look like. You know, the install is easy, maybe about 10 minutes total. I'm gonna reconnect the brights, back it out, let you see what it looks like, and pull it back in. Anyways, LASFIT LEDs, as you know, I fuck with these. I'm out.